What's up, trumpet enthusiasts? I'm here with Mike Rocha from Los Angeles. Great to see you all. And Mike is actually one of the most like eclectic trumpet players that I've probably spoken to the date. Like doing everything from jazz all the way to classical to commercial music. So thanks so much for doing this, Mike. Like I'm really looking forward to this masterclass.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me too. This is going to be an awesome hang. We're going to talk all things trumpet.
Mhm.
Everybody's going to come out with a ton of value and resources, and we're going to learn a lot on this call together. And so I'm really looking forward, and I can't wait to see you there.
Yeah, dude, I'm looking forward to this, man. We're going to cover some like fantastic topics like the core trumpet fundamentals, like getting a beautiful sound, breath, air control, talking about embouchure placement, like articulation, tonguing, everything from like single, double, triple, classical. What are some other stuff you might talk about, Mike?
We're going to talk about improv skill, how to actually develop your improv skill. A lot of people want to talk about that. We're going to talk about fundamentals of trumpet playing, how to increase your range, your endurance, get that tone really round and beautiful for you, and then how to play those jaw-dropping improv solos. We're going to be all over it.
Yeah, man. And I can't wait to ask you some questions about like your plunger work, some
Mm-hmm.
great things about like who you studied with, who you really looked up to in your trumpet playing world, and where you got your like sounds being like a chameleon from all those sort of things from like Iran Rezi all the way over to like playing screaming lead stuff with a fat band and playing with a small fat band too. So I'm super excited about this. So like everyone definitely like reserve your seat now because there's only a limited number of spots available. My program can only handle like 100 seats. So once they're gone, they're gone. And remember, there's going to be a recording of this event ever. It's going to be forever, so you can take it around everywhere. Because I don't know about you, Mike, like, but when I was at university, I'd like record stuff and then I'd listen back to it years later. And because I evolved on the trumpet, I didn't understand what my college professors were saying. But I look back at the notes like 10, 15 years ago and I finally understood that. So have you ever had something like that that you've like looked back in the past and it's like helped you out in the future?
100%. I used to record everything, just like you're
Mm.
talking about, all my college stuff, all my gigs. I've got thousands of hours of stuff recorded, and you listen back over the years and over time, and there's just so much to be gained over and over. But yeah, as you develop, you begin to understand the concepts a lot better. So the recording is huge.
Yeah, man. And we're going to cover so many topics. There's so many great giveaways on here. Like Mike's also giving out his personal improvisation practice guide. We're looking at the mind body trumpet method. What's that sort of about?
The Mind Body Trumpet Method is like a companion book that's meant to be with you on your trumpet journey throughout your entire career. So it has a 50-year value to any trumpet player where it
Hmm.
keeps you in check, keeps you in shape, keeps you focused on all the right things so that you don't slip, you don't let these, the bad habits creep in, and you
Hmm.
stay perfect all the time.
Yeah, man. I'm excited about that. And you're at the moment like editing like a masterclass too that's going to be released for the first time inside of the free goodies that we're giving away, right?
That's right. Yeah, that's right. Brand new masterclass, full presentation, looks beautiful. It's got it's got all the highs, it's got all the lows, it's got everything that you could ever want. And so that's coming out here. Yeah, just a day or two.
Dude, I'm like really excited. I haven't even seen it yet. Like I'm kind of like sitting on my seat, kind of waiting to upload it into there. So it's like really good. So remember to like book your ticket now because once they're gone, they're gone. There's only 100 spots available. It's gonna fill up soon. So check out that page for the date and time and just yeah, reserve your spot now. Otherwise, this is gonna be gone forever. We're gonna cover so many different topics from like building range, endurance warm-up practice session, like navigating the musical scene, mutes,
Mhm.
gears, trumpets, how to deal with so many different things and play with so many different styles and be able to, practice, be a comeback trumpet player or other things like actually practicing and improving while having a family, time management things, any other sort of things, man.
That's certainly hit a lot of the check the boxes, but yeah, don't forget. I mean, a lot of improv stuff. That's where you. I mean, you're going to get some real gems.
Absolutely, man. We're going to talk like how to navigate through different sort of progressions and everything and styles and being able to, do style things too. But some of those things, man, we're going to have like an open Q&A session at the end.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, like that's some sort of part that is really going to change it because it's a place that you get to ask like a trumpet player of your caliber any sort of questions you want. And there's no dumb questions at all. Like obviously, if someone has a question, they kind of want to get the answer. So I'm really curious because like I've never done something like this. And the last time that we did, you know, I went to something like this, there was some questions I never even thought to ask, and the answers that were there were like nuggets of gold, man. So I'm really
Mm-hmm.
excited for this. This is going to be like insane amount of value in like one place that you can carry around for like the rest of your life. So I mean, I've already got my ticket, man, and I'm excited. We already sold like 20, so I'm we got like 80 left. So I'm super excited, Mike. I cannot wait for, this Sunday. It's going to be fantastic.
Yes, yes, can't wait. Thanks, Harrison.
All
Sounds
right.
awesome.
See you, man. I'm super excited for this.
Okay, buddy. I'll talk to you later. All right.
See ya.
All right. Bye.